Hello friends. So are you all enjoying the monsoon with delicious snacks and masala chai? Snacks like pakoras, samosas, yummy, isn't it in the monsoon? Okay, so let's get back to cooking today. While cooking dishes, sometimes we end up adding extra salt. How to remove this excess salt? We have learnt many tricks from our elders. Today I have used a very innovative trick to reduce salt from my curry. Watch the video till the end. I'm sure you're going to like it, and do give it a try and see how I use that to make a different curry again. Sometimes we end up adding extra salt to the curries. It happens, but don't panic. We can always reduce it. There are tricks to do it. What I do is take some gram flour, besan. I've taken about 1 cup because I'm going to use it again in a different form. Add some spices to it. Little bit of turmeric powder, little chili powder and cumin powder, coriander powder. Remember, no salt. We have to actually remove the salt from the curry. You can add little bit of oil, about 2 teaspoons. Now mix this well. We are going to make the dough with this. This trick I've learned actually from my mom and grandmother, but they used to use the wheat flour, the chapati dough. Throw chunks or make balls of the dough and put it in the curry. So what I thought was, instead of using chapati dough, wheat flour, we can use besan, and after discarding the chunks we can use them to make a delicious dish, Gatte Ki Sabzi. You must have heard the popular Rajasthani Gatte Ki Sabzi, Gatte Ka Pulao. All this can be used, so nothing goes to waste. Knead the dough, besan, by adding little water carefully, because it becomes soft and sticky. Now the dough is ready. So remember, we have not added any salt to this dough. Roll it out into a cylindrical shape. Using a cutter, cut out small pieces. Give them a round shape and flatten them lightly with your finger. So we are actually shaping them in the form of gattas that we will make curry with later. So make all the gattas. Now add these to the simmering curry. We have dropped all the gattas. Now cover the lid and simmer. After about 5 minutes of simmering, open the lid and you can see the gattas have become quite firm and nice. They might have soaked the excess salt from the curry. Leave them there until you serve. So just before serving the curry, you can discard these, because while they are in the gravy, they'll still keep soaking whatever extra salt is there. Now remove them with the help of tongs and set them aside. Now these cute little gattas will be used to make gatte ki sabzi or pulao. So here your black eye bean curry is ready after removing the excess salt. So with the gattas I have made this Rajasthani Gatte Ki Sabzi. You can make and enjoy with your rotis. The recipe links are given in the description box. This is Gatte Ka Pulao. I'll soon come up with the videos, but meanwhile you can check out the recipe. The links are given in the description box. I have the recipes on my website. Now here is one more curry, potato curry, tomato based gravy. Now in this I'm going to use another trick. If you don't mind little bit of sweet curry, you can add some ketchup to it. But sometimes, some people don't like it sweeter. So what we will do is, to remove the sweetness, we are going to add bhuna besan. Remember, the roasted gram flour, not the raw one. Take a teaspoonful or as needed depending on the quantity of the curry, dilute it with water. The roasted gram flour. I always keep little handy for times like this. Stir it into the curry. Now simmer it for a few minutes. Now here is another curry, Bengan do Pyaza. It's a dry version. For this we are going to use another tip. If there is excess salt in the dry sabzi, what we can do is take some dalia, the roasted gram, which we use for making chutney. Always grind and keep little so that it's handy. I make podi with this also. So by adding a spoonful of this, it takes away the excess salt. So just stir a spoonful of it, mix with the spatula and simmer it for a little while. So friends, I hope you found these tips handy. Give them a try in a situation where you find excess salt in your curries. Check out these videos if you have missed them. Thank you.